Hey you guys, it is I Love Mimi, and I just ordered off of Zeelool. I ordered some glasses, and I just got my shipment. This took a while, you guys. I don't even remember like what date I ordered it, but it took a little while. And I just wrote them, and I was like, so, like, where's my shit? And like they were like, they showed me how to track my stuff, and I was like, because I knew how to do it. So I was like, in my head, I'm like, they must be being smart. And then tonight, they wrote me and they were like, your shit is downstairs, chick. It's delivered. So, it says to tear here real quick and fast or whatever. But my nails is like, yeah, it's not working. It's not letting me do the open real fast thing. So we're having difficulties, and if we continue to have difficulties opening this, I'm gonna let you know this right now. I will take some scissors to this so fast. Go. Sorry, that was my cat. Yeah, I really was trying to do like, you know, the pull tab thing, because I don't know, it gives me like the satisfaction. Right. I feel like I'm just like right there, and it's just like, it's just telling me no. All right, so it's telling me no. These hair scissors will be telling me yes. So we just gonna say, you know, screw that and whatever. She's so extra. I can't get all that for this box. Are we ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. I'm a little worried because I did the PD thing or whatever, and I'm pretty sure that I did it incorrectly. I'm pretty sure about it. Yeah. I'm like, I don't know. I'm not an optometrist. Sorry, I keep looking back because, yeah, I know she's tripping out right now. But anyway, it comes in this cute little box. That's cute, right? Yeah, so we about to see what's going on in here. I'm probably gonna be super blind with these on. Let's see what comes out of here. I don't know. That PD one there, though, you guys. I have no idea what this little thing is, but oh look, now I get like an official Johnny John. Oh, look at that. Well, okay. I'm pretty sure if that's the case, then I probably definitely did it wrong. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yeah, like, yeah. Let's keep going. I gotta open this thing up, right? That's a cute little case. They probably sent me that, was like, that's cannot be your PD. But I'm like, they want me to say something. right? So I'm gonna say something. And you gotta like take them off of these like thingies right here. Alrighty. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like I'm gonna be so blind in these because of the fact that I like super did not know my BD. Oh no, I'm not, y'all. Let me see if I can see stuff. I mean, I can still see stuff. I can see. Oh, I'm cute. I mean, I'm always cute, but like, I am. You know. And when there's a little cord in here, I get a coupon, y'all. And I get a coupon. Now, I don't really know what a PD does. I think it's like this between each eye. Do I need to like stare at something to figure out like, you know, what I need to be seeing? So far, I'm okay. But it came with a coupon. This is the first time of me ordering from them. It did take a little time for me ordering it, but it was about $40-something altogether for and their prescription glasses. So that's pretty good. That means I got a text message. Oh, 2 text messages. I'm feeling lucky. But yes, so Zeelool, they came wrapped up really nicely. I'm feeling them. And they came with this, and they came in this. I have no idea what this is, but it came in there too. I told them my PD was 35. Don't know what that is, but I guess we'll find out. Maybe I'll walk outside and I'll feel like the world is spinning around me. I have no idea. Again, I don't know. I don't know. But what I will say about these glasses, y'all, I have my long eyelashes on. I have my 25 millimeters and they're not touching. So we are good. Yes, we are definitely good. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. We are definitely good. So I want to say thanks, Zeelool. Thank you for the card. I will definitely be using you guys. I'm definitely going to make some more orders, and definitely going to make some more orders when I get my new FSA card. So hopefully I can use y'all. Well, use my FSA card to buy a bunch of glasses from you guys, because then I'll just go off crazy and pay for like a bunch of prescription glasses, because then I'm gonna be nuts. So all right, so you guys have any more, if you have questions, feel free to ask me. Feel free to go and inbox me. Definitely subscribe, and yes, hit me up. Alrighty, this is I Love Mimi.